Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to share a product with you all which I purchased for myself, and I thought unboxing and setting up the product in front of you all and giving a live review will help many ones like me who stay in hostel or paying guest or in rent, who have to manage the things within the single room. And this product is specially for the people who believe in God, goddesses or angels and like to keep statues of them. I started feeling the need of a special arrangement to place them, and I was searching for products like this one which I have bought recently, and after searching, analyzing the specification, the price range, everything, I decided to buy this one which is in this package, and I have already unboxed it, but I just kept the packaging for showing you all. So this is basically a wall temple which can be set up on the wall. So this is the packaging, and I have bought it from Flipkart. It came with the bubble wrapping, but I have just thrown them. So these are the parts of the product, and we have to set up this by ourselves, and it's a folding type of item, and it's very handy to carry when you shift to another place. This is of size 40 cm by 15 cm by 15 cm. You get the length of about 1 to 3 inches as mentioned in the side, and I will check if it is true or not. I just have that scale of 1 feet with me. I do not have a measuring tape at my room, so I am going to measure this. Yes, it is of 40 cm really, including these two small parts, this part. So yeah, and this part is not of 15 cm but of 14 cm, which is really good. So I got this product for rupees 318. When I purchased it, it retailed for rupees 280, and it has a delivery charge of rupees 66. I am a Flipkart Plus member, but this is not an FSU product, so it doesn't give you a free delivery, so you have to pay for the shipping charge. So the total was of rupees 346, but I used some super coins, so finally I got it for rupees 318. The price may increase or decrease, but I think there won't be much difference in it. So now I am setting up it before the camera. This is the portion which will be attached to the wall, and if you can drill the wall, you can attach it by some nails, but I do not want to drill the wall of my hostel room. Let's see what I can do about it. So these are the gaps to insert these portions. So this has been attached. Then comes this portion which have a rectangular hole like this, and it will be attached to this one, and these two holes will be attached to these two portions. Same way I will fix this one to this side, this is done. Yes, it is ready from 3 sides, and now we have to fix the front side with these parts.
The edges are there also, so I'll fix it to this part, and
this is so easy to fix it by yourself, and this is it. And yeah, this is not a sponsored video because I have not started getting sponsorship. I do not have such a big YouTube channel that I can review some sponsored product. I wish I could do. So this is ready. So you can place it on the wall with the help of nails. Here are the provisions for 2 nails. If you can drill the wall with the permission of the owner, you can fix it with nails. So I am thinking that I can place it with the help of some self-adhesive nails. I have 2 of them with me. So I will try with these 2 nails to fix it, and if it works, it is good, or if it doesn't work, I have a nail on my wall and I will try to put this on one nail here at the center. So let's see if this to work or not for this, and definitely it has to bear some weight, so I am not sure it can work for it or not, but let's try. So look at this. This is Ma Saraswati. This is our dear Lord Krishna, and this is our cute Papa, and this is Shiva, and this is my respected Hanumanji, and this is the statue of Sai Baba, and this is complete with this pot, and that was it. So I have placed my temple at my hostel room, and I hope this video will be helpful for you all. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and families who have the need of it, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.